Hello students of class 10 advanced maths. Now today I am going to start quadratic equation. Today I am going to start quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. This is chapter chapter 4. This is chapter 4. Chapter 4. Today I am going to start quadratic equation chapter 4, exercise 4.1. Here you see question number 1. Form a quadratic equation with the following roots. I will do only one for you. Rest you can do it yourself because the formula I am giving you here. The formula is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. So this is the equation. So here the roots alpha, beta, they are the roots. Alpha and beta are the roots. So this is the equation. So I am only going to do one for you. Rest you can do it yourself. So see, x square sum of the roots, that is minus 5 plus 7 into x plus minus 5 into 7 equal to 0. So x square minus 2x and minus 35 equal to 0. This is your answer. So let me see the answer. 4.1. See, this is the answer. X square minus 2x minus 35 equal to 0. So you can solve the rest of the questions by this, using this formula. So I have done only one for you. Now I am going to the second question, that is form the quadratic equation whose one root is given. That is one root means alpha, it is given to you root 3i. So beta will be minus root 3i. So again I will set the same, I will take the same formula, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. So x square minus sum of the zeros root 3i minus root 3i into x plus root 3i into minus root 3i, this is equal to 0. This is 0. So x square root 3 into root 3 plus into minus, it will be minus root 3 into root 3, 3i square is equal to 0. We know that the value of I square is minus 1. So x square plus 3 equal to 0. This is your answer. So let me see the answer and see x square plus 3 equal to 0. X square plus 3 equal to 0. So this is over, and rest of the question you can do it yourself. Here alpha is 4 plus root 5. So your beta will be 4 minus root 5. So you can do rest of the questions, you can do it yourself. Now I am going to question number 3. So let me do this second also for you, so that it will be clear for you. Let me do the second question also for you. Here see, alpha to second question, alpha it is equal to 4 plus root 5 and beta will be equal to 4 minus root 5. So x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the 0 is equal to 0. So x square sum of the zeros 4 plus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5 bracket close, 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5 equal to 0. So root 5 cancels out. X square minus 4 plus 4 8, here x is missing, so this will be 8x and a plus b into a minus b, this will be 4 square minus root 5 the whole square is equal to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 5 equal to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 11 equal to 0. So this is your answer. Let me check the answer. Here you will see the answer is 4.1. Question number 2c, x square minus 8x plus 11 equal to 0. Now I think so the rest of the questions you can do it yourself. Now I am going to question number 3. Question number 3. 3. Find the quadratic equation. Find the quadratic equation. Whose roots are 2 less than the roots of this. 2 less than the roots of this. So first of all, I will have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. First of all, I will have to find the roots of this quadratic equation using splitting the middle term, that is 63, your 7, 9 and 3, 3. So 3 is 9, 9 plus 7, 16. So x square minus 9x minus 7x plus 63 equal to 0. This 2, x common implies that x minus 9 minus 7 x minus 9 equal to 0. So x minus 7 into x minus 9 equal to 0. So x equal to 7 or x is equal to 9. So these are the two roots of this equation, but it is stated in the question 2 less than the roots. That means your alpha will be 7 minus 2, that is 5, and your beta will be 9 minus 2, that will be equal to 7. So equation is x square minus sum of the zeros, that is 5 plus 7 into x plus product of the 0, 5 into 7 equal to 0. So x square minus 12x 7 5 are 35 equal to 0. So this is your answer. First. So let me see the answer. Here you will see that. First, see x square minus 12x plus 35. In the same manner, the rest of the questions here greater by 4 than the roots of this. So first of all, you have to find the roots, and then with each root you have to add 4, and after that you have to find the quadratic equation. So now I am going to question number 4 first. Question number 4 first. See question number 4 first. 4 first. Here, find the value of k such that one root of this is twice the other. So we have to find the one root. So x square minus 5x plus k is equal to 0. By the help of quadratic formula, I will find out the value of x, that is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. So x is equal to 5 plus minus root b square minus 5 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into k by 2 into 2. So x will be 5 plus minus root 25 minus 8k by 4. So the roots are alpha 5 plus root 25 minus 8k by 4, and other root is 5 minus root 25 minus 8k by 4. These are the two roots. Now here the condition given is one root is twice the other. So alpha is equal to twice beta. So here 5 plus root 25 minus 8k by 4 is equal to twice 5 minus root 25 minus 8k by 4. Here you see 4 and 4 cancels out. So 5 plus root 25 minus 8k is equal to 10 minus 2 root 25 minus 8k. We'll bring the root one side and this 10 to the other side. So this will be root 25 minus 8k plus 2 root 25 minus 8k is equal to 10 minus 5. This will be 5. So this will be equal to, equal to 3 root 25 minus 8k is equal to 5. Now squaring both sides, we will get 9 bracket 25 minus 8k is equal to 25. So this is 9 into 25. 9 into 25, it will be 25 into 9. 9 5 is 45. 9 to the 18. 18 plus 4, 18 plus 4, 22. So this will be 2, 2, 5, 7, 9, 8 is 72k, that is equal to 25. So 72k is equal to minus 70, 25 minus 225. So minus 72k, this will be minus 200. So minus minus cancels out. K is equal to 200 by 72. Here 200, 236, 250, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 225, 29. So the value of K is 25 by 9. Let me see the answer. Question number exercise 7.4. 4.1. See, question number 4.1, it is 25 by 9. So here you implies that this is your answer. This is your answer. Now the second question, question number 4, second question. Question number 4, second question. You will see this. Second question. The second question, it states that, see here, have a common root. So to solve such type of questions, there is a method which is given in your book to solve such type of questions. That is 2k minus 5 x square minus 4x minus 15 equal to 0, and 3k minus 8 x square minus 5x minus 21 equal to 0. So they have a common root. Let the common root be alpha. Let the common root be alpha. So 2k minus 5 alpha square minus 4 alpha minus 15 equal to 0, and 3k minus 8 alpha square minus 5 alpha minus 21 equal to 0. Now I am going to apply the method of cross multiplication. Alpha square alpha and 1. This is the method I am going to impose. This is the cross multiplication method. So when alpha square, your coefficient minus 4, minus 5, minus 15, minus 21, alpha minus 15, minus 21, 2k minus 5, 3k minus 8, and this will be 2k minus 5, 3k minus 8, minus 4, minus 5. Now here you see what I am going to do. This into this means alpha square minus minus plus, 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 84, and minus into minus plus, so 5 5 are 25, 5 1 are 75. This is equal to alpha minus 15 into 3k minus 8, 3k minus 8 minus, and this minus minus 21 into 2k minus 5, and here 1 minus 5, 2k minus 5 minus minus 4, 3k minus 8, 3k minus 8. Now see what will happen here. Here alpha square, that is 84 minus 75, 14 minus 5 is 9, there will be 9, and this will be alpha by 15 into 3, 3 5 is 15, 45, minus 45 k plus 8 5 is 40, 8 1 is 8 plus 4 120 is equal to 1 by, this is minus 10 k, and minus into minus plus, this is 25 minus into minus, this will be plus 4 3 is 12k plus 12k, and plus 4 8 is 32, that means minus 32, because minus into minus, this is plus, minus plus. So here alpha square by 9, alpha by minus 45k plus 120, and this is equal to minus 10 plus 12, that is 2k, and 25, 32 minus 25, 32 minus 25, 12 minus 5, 12 minus 5, it means 7, so this will be how much? Minus 7. So here your alpha is equal to minus 45k plus 120 divided by 2k minus 7. So alpha, the value of alpha, and we have to find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. So to find the value of k. See one thing I missed here. See here, this I wrote only the value. See, minus 15 into 3, 45, minus 45, minus into minus 15 is 120, but this part was left. So this part is this plus 2 into 42k minus 5 1 is 5, 5 to the 10, minus this. So here the result will be minus 45k and 42k, that is minus 3k minus 3k minus 3k minus 3k and 120 minus 105, that is 515, that is plus 15, this will be plus 15. So here this will be minus 3k plus 15, this, and again alpha square by 9, that is equal to 1 by 2k minus 7. So alpha square is equal to 9 by 2k minus 7. So what I am going to do here, I am going to put the value of alpha here. So this will be minus 3k plus 15 by 2k minus 7, the whole square is equal to 9 by 2k minus 7. So this will be minus 3k plus 15 the whole square by 2k minus 7 the whole square equal to 9 by 2k minus 7. So this and this cancels out. So here I can write this like this also, 3k minus 15, I can write it like this. So minus common, and because there is square, it will be plus. The result is this, 9 2k minus 7. So here a minus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, this will be a minus b the whole square, this will be let me do one more thing. it will be more easier. 3 common, k minus 5 the whole square is equal to 9, 2k minus 7. So this will be 9 k minus 5 the whole square is equal to 9 2k minus 7. So 2k minus 7. So 9 cancels out. Now it becomes more easier. K square, 2 5s are 10. 10k plus 25 is equal to 2k minus 7. So here this will be k square minus 12k plus 25 plus 7 equal to 0. This will be, so k square minus 12k, 25 plus this will be how much? 25, 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 12, 32, because 7 plus 5 it is 12, 132 plus 32 is equal to 0. Splitting the middle term, 32 2 1 2 6 2 8 2 4 2 2. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 4, k square minus 8k plus minus 8k minus 4k plus 32 equal to 0. So k common, k minus 8 minus 4 common, k minus 8 equal to 0. So k minus 4, k minus 8 will be equal to 0. So k equal to 4 and k equal to 9, 8, k equal to 8. Let me see the answer. Let me see the answer. Let me see the answer. Question number, this was question number 4 second. Question number exercise 4.1, question number 4 second, C, 4 or 8. So this is your answer. Now what happened, that there was a slight mistake here. I did only this part, that this part remained, this part was not put here. So I have this second part I have put here, and when we solve we will get this result, and this is the whole question solution of the questions. Now question number 5. Under what condition this and this will have a common root? So see, same procedure, common root, same procedure, common root, that is first 3x square plus 4mx plus 2 equal to 0, and 2x square plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0 will have a common root. The same procedure which we have done just earlier. We have done earlier that it is the same procedure. Plus 4mx plus 2 equal to 0, 2x square plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So common root, let alpha be the common root, so 3 alpha square plus 4m into alpha plus 2 equal to 0, 2 alpha square plus 3 alpha minus 2 equal to 0. So cross multiplication method, This is called cross multiplication method. This is cross multiplication method is equal to alpha is equal to 1 by, so alpha square 4m3 2 minus 2. Now this will be 2 minus 2 3 2, and for this will be 3 2 4m3. So here this will be alpha square by, this is minus 8m minus 2 3 is 6, alpha 4 minus that will be plus 6, and this is 9 minus 8m. So here it becomes like this: alpha square by minus 8m minus 6 equal to alpha by 10 equal to 1 by 9 minus 8m. So your alpha is equal to 10 by 9 minus 8m, and your alpha square, this will be minus 8m minus 6 by 9 minus 8m. So here I am going to place the value of alpha. This will be 10 by 9 minus 8m, this whole square is equal to minus 8m minus 6 by 9 minus 8m. So this will be 10 square, this is 100, 9 minus 8m the whole square, this minus common, 8m plus 6, here 9 minus 8m implies that I can write implies that this square cancels out, so 100 equal to minus 8m plus 6 into 9 minus 8m. So this will be, let me take the minus sign here, minus 100. So 8 9s are, I can do 8, I can do one thing. Let me take a common out of here, so that it will be easier for me for calculation. 2 common, so this will be 4m plus 3 and 9 minus 8m. So 2 cancels out, this will be 50, minus 50 is equal to, now 4 9s are 36m minus 4 8s are 32m square plus 27 minus 3 8s are 24m. So this will be minus 50 is equal to 36 minus 24, this will be 12. 36 minus 24 is 12m minus 32m square plus 27. Now I will bring all this to one side, so this will be 32m square, all these are implies that 32m square minus 12m minus 50 minus 27 equal to 0. So 32m square minus 12m, this will be how much? 567 minus 77 equal to 0. I think something is mistake somewhere, some mistake has taken place, most probably somewhere. Now see, 32, your 32 into 77, this will be 2464. So splitting the middle term, this will be minus 56m plus 44m minus 77 equal to 0. You can see 56 into 44, the same, it comes the same, so this is correct. So here your common is 3256, that means 7 is common here. So 7m will be equal, not 7 8 sorry, 8 will be 8m, so this will be 4m minus 8 7 the 56, and here this will be 11 common, so 4m minus 7 equal to 0. So 8m plus 11 and 4m minus 7 equal to 0. So 8m will be equal to minus 11, m is equal to minus 11 by 8, and other will be m is equal to 7 by 4. So these are the answer. Let me check the answer. Check the answer. See, m is equal to 7 by 4 or m is equal to minus 11 by 8. This is your answer. So this is the solving of this question.